Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Rumaisa. You can call me Adele. My student ID number is G1D02510011. Today, I'm going to share my opinion about religion or belief. My personal view after watching the video is that people in Europe are not very religious. I think this is probably because of their environment and culture. I agree with their freedom to choose a religion or belief because it is a personal matter. Also, for those who do not practice their religion, that is a matter between them and their God. However, I think it will be better if they have a belief or religion and perform their religion, This is a quote from the Quran in Surah Al-Kafirun, the 6th verse. Lakum dinukum waliyadin. The meaning is, for you is your religion, and for me is my religion. The meaning of the word, for you is your religion, and for me is my religion, is about living peacefully even though we have different belief or religion. This sentence teaches two important things. First, we should hold on to our own belief firmly. Second, we must also respect the right of others to follow their own religion. This is not a statement of fighting, but a foundation for peace. In other words, we agree to disagree without forcing our will on others or thinking that only we are right. The main point is that we can still be good friends and respect each other, even if our religion or belief are not the same. Thank you.